Everyone, welcome to Jack Max Adventures 2026. Camping is going to be amazing. 2025 was not existent because Nova Scotia, we had a fire ban and we weren't allowed to do anything outside basically. So tonight we are in this 4-in-1 Tenkula cot tent that I bought a couple of years ago. It's absolutely frigging amazing. I'm really surprised. It was pretty cheap on Amazon. It was like $235. And I've had it for 2 years now. I've had it on the beach through rain, wind. I've had it using it as a tent, using it as a cot tent, and it's been amazing. Last night I came out here and it was raining all night and a wet snow at 4 o'clock in the morning. It was only about 1 degrees, but I was perfectly fine in here. It did not leak at all, and I have never seam sealed. I've never sprayed the tents, nothing. So anyway, looking forward to 2026. We're gonna travel around, get some new locations, some old locations that were good, and I got my little camping buddy with me. She's gonna be joining us, and it's gonna be fantastic. So I am going to say goodnight here, and if anything happens in the night, which God, I hope nothing happens, I will turn the camera back on. I'm still using my iPhone. I have not upgraded to GoPro yet, so oh well, that's okay. But yeah, we'll see you in the morning. Peace out, peeps. Just a glimpse into the future of Jack Max Adventures. We will be camping with a new pup. Pretty excited. Oh, good morning, everyone. We made it. As you can hear, it's still raining. It's been raining all night. Got up about 4 o'clock. Had to go run to the bathroom. Checked out the temperature. It got up to like 8 degrees last night. It was quite toasty warm in here. Anyway, this little tent survived once more. This tent has excellent breathing qualities. I can't think of the word right now, it's too early, but there's lots of ventilation. There's a screen. The screen's on both sides. I do have them closed so you can pop them up on the outside on the rainfly. Anyway, fantastic night. Again, looking forward to 2026. Thanks for coming back. And that's going to be a fantastic year. I'm going to flip you around so you can see my little girl. Oops, fingers. Oh, such a little dog. She takes up so much room. This cot is just a single size too. There is a double one, but that's a good one. Oh, the rain. Thank goodness there's a rain fly. Anyway, peace out, peeps. Till next time. So we're just doing a little, came out a little bit after it stopped raining. That's what she looks like. Great little tent. Again, it's like $235, I think. I don't even think you can get it on Amazon anymore, actually. Let it dry off a little bit. Rain. So I have camped, and there's other videos. I am looking at a new tent cot system, the Nightcat. The problem with this one is it's very heavy. So down there, the cot, it's easy to set up, but it's heavy. And then that's the bag to carry it. Again, you're car camping, so it's not a big deal, but it's just Or it's just too heavy. But I love it. But here. So that is it. That's what we slept in last night. Got it all guided out. My new little camping buddy. Anyway, I'll see you on the next adventure, everybody.